Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you about a new product that we've just added to the store, and it comes from our friends at Hammond Motorsports. So Dave Hammond, of course, is a good friend of mine, and I'm really excited about this new kit. It's an entire kit for your caster. So it's a caster gauge kit, and it comes in this container here, and when we open it up, we see we have lots of different things. So we have an intercomp angle finder. We have, this is really the innovative thing right here, the innovative piece is this bracket that you can put this onto a spindle. You can also use this for rear ends to measure pinion angle, and we'll go into that in a moment. But we also, in this case, we have these different adapters as well, depending on your size of what you need it for. And they're already marked up here at the top, so you've got a quick reference, makes it really easy. We've got the charging cord for the angle finder and even the instructions that go with the angle finder as well. But let's go ahead and give this a shot. This is not, I'll be honest, I don't really work on a lot of this stuff, so this would be a lot of fun for me to show you. Okay, so what we have here is we have a dirt late model spindle. Now, this whole caster gauge kit, it works great with modifieds, it works with street stocks, and with some of the late models, just keep in mind that if they have a lot of extra bracing in here, you may have to grind that back. Just some of these dirt late model spindles have a whole lot more extra bracing in them than you need. You know, just letting you know, I mean, it may not be the best choice for you. But what we want to do to set this up is we want to have our ball joint right here and drop it in there, and then we want to find the adapter that is going to work with the threads on this particular ball joint. And I've already gone through and figured it out and tried out, you know, it's kind of like a Goldilocks thing, you know, figure out this one's too big, this one's too small, and so be it. Great, so now that I have the adapter attached to the ball joint, the next thing we want to do is we want to bring out our bracket with our angle finder gauge. And you can see I've just slid this in here. It has a little nut or little screw in there to fasten it down. So it's going to slide that back in there and fasten this down again. And then what we'll do is with our adapters, they come with a bolt and 2 washers. So we'll put 1 washer onto the top side of this, and then we'll put the other washer on the bottom side, and we'll go ahead and screw this into the bottom of the adapter. So now that we have that screwed in order to line this up, now of course I'm not showing this with a car, but we want to line this up so that it's square with the rotor. And then you also want to have your tires going straight forward. And that is going to give you that 0 degree type of an angle. And from here, we would be able to measure the caster of your tires. The other thing at this point, you can then jack up your car will be jacked up at this point because it'll be higher without the tires on it. And then you can decide, you know, getting it at ride height and then bringing it back down. You can see the change in your caster all the way through that movement. So let me go ahead and turn this so you can see what this looks like. You saw me putting that on, but now we can, like I said, we would square this up with your rotor that's happening right here, and that's going to give us the most accurate measurements. And of course, I can turn this angle finder whichever way I would want to use it as well. Now, not only will this measure caster, but you can also use this for measuring pinion angles, which I will have to do in another video. So hopefully this is helpful for you, and I think it's a great tool. Really excited to get it out there, and you can find it on our website at CrateInsider.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video.